Amendment module. This is the amendment module where the user will be able to record any changes or recommendations requested to be made to this particular EHR, and to enter details into the amendment module, an EHR ID has to be created first, and this is the only module to which details can be added even after completing an EHR. Log into your account, select the preferred patient from your patient list and click on New Health Record and navigate to the amendment module. If the module is unavailable, click on the Show More button and select Show Amendment. For demonstration purposes, to generate an EHR ID, we can save details to the visit reason. Click on the Add icon to add details. Let's complete this health record to further view how the module works. Even after completion, you can click on the Add icon to record information. Here, you can specify the source from the drop-down. Enter the relevant description here. Here, you select the status of the particular amendment. Here, you can specify the reason for the status. Click on Save to save details. To delete or edit any of the information, click on the Add icon. Click on the Trash icon for the information to be deleted. To edit, make the required changes and click on Save.